Is it time to buy or sell SoFi stock? In this video, we will delve into SoFi. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You definitely do not want to overlook any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since February 19, 2025, our system has ranked SoFi as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.69. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is currently moving within a very wide and horizontal trend, and we can expect further movements within this range. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 0.532% over the next 3 months, with a possible return varying between negative 12.33% and positive 12.21%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant change of 122.70% over the next year, with a potential return ranging between 59.13% and 158.42%. This translates to a price range between $25.75 to $41.81 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SoFi includes the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for SoFi as Stock Downgraded to Sell Candidate. The SoFi stock price declined by nearly 4% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, falling from $16.83 to $16.18. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.87%, ranging from a low of $16.14 to a high of $16.77. Over the past 10 days, the stock has risen on 6 occasions and has increased by over 5% in the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be seen as a positive indicator since volume typically aligns with stock movement. On that day, trading volume fell by 19 million shares, leading to a total of 35 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $560,560,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $18.42, while the lowest was $6.01. Currently, the stock price stands 12.16%, or $2.24, below the 52-week high. It is also 42.75%, or $12.08, below the all-time high reached on the 1st of February, 2021, when the price peaked at $28.26. SoFi Technologies has been on an impressive run, having experienced a staggering 200% rally from August through January, reaching a multi-year high at the end of January. This remarkable growth has been underpinned by a series of strong earnings reports that showcase significant financial momentum. In the fourth quarter of 2024, SoFi reported a 19.3% increase in revenue year over year, along with a substantial jump in net profits from $24.6 million to $332.5 million. Furthermore, the fintech company expanded its user base to over 10 million members, bolstered by popular financial services products. As of mid-February 2025, the stock continued to rise, reflecting strong sentiment in the market. This upward trajectory is expected to sustain due to management's optimistic outlook for continued growth throughout the year. Analysts also suggest that current pullbacks present attractive opportunities for investors looking to capitalize on SoFi's growth potential. In the short term, such positive performance metrics and strategic growth forecasts could reinforce investor confidence, leading to further stock price appreciation. In the long term, if SoFi manages to maintain its growth trajectory, it could position itself as a formidable player in the fintech sector, potentially elevating its market valuation to levels comparable to major banks. The blend of strong financial results and positive market sentiment is likely to keep SoFi in the spotlight, influencing its stock price in the coming months. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, January 14th, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned SOFI a buy rating, accompanied by a hold action. On Friday, January 3rd, 2025, Deutsche Bank provided SOFI with a hold rating and a hold action. On Thursday, December 19th, 2024, Morgan Stanley rated SOFI as underweight with a hold action. On Tuesday, December 10th, 2024, Jefferies gave SOFI a buy rating along with a hold action. On Monday, December 9th, 2024, Bank of America Securities rated SOFI as underperform and issued a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to SOFI stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as sell, while the price-to-book value is deemed a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts recommend the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for SOFI. The SOFI stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is higher than the short-term average. On downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of $15.59 and $15.68. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, February 12th, 2025, and so far, the stock has risen by 9.55%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may affect the near-term development. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 21 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 11 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 114 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 119 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOFI. SOFI finds support from accumulated volume at $16.08, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is regarded as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.62.5 between its high and low, or 3.87%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 4.53%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SOFI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This is a relatively typical PE ratio, often observed in companies with long histories or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 5th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 4 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOFI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOFI stands at $16.21. If you don't own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOFI faces its first support level at $16.08. If this support level holds, it might present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SOFI from multiple analyst sources indicates a recommendation to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 21st of January, 2025, Keo Kelly executed an insider sale of 8,914 shares of common stock. On the 21st of May, 2024, Freiberg Stephen J. made an insider purchase of 7,571 shares of common stock. On the same day, Freiberg Stephen J. also conducted an insider sale of 7,571 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 23rd of December, 2024, Keo Kelly carried out an insider sale of 8,914 shares of common stock. On the 19th of December, 2024, Rishel Jeremy executed an insider sale of 64,991 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 55.720. In total, insiders purchased 10,109,807 shares and sold 35,083,882 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is SOFI stock a good buy? Currently, SOFI presents several concerning indicators, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative outlook on this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment from a buy to a sell recommendation since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and trading patterns from the previous day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 20th of February, we anticipate SOFI will open at approximately 18 cents and begin trading at $16.36. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What target do you have in mind for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.